I'll be using a store-bought aloe vera gel, so I can keep this cream at least for about 20 days without having to be refrigerated. Any good quality aloe vera gels contain at least 98% of natural aloe vera gel. I will be using a lemon essential oil instead of lemon juice, so the cream can last longer. Using potato powder will make things much easier and cleaner. I'm going to use this potato powder instead of rice water or grinding fresh potatoes for its juice. This is non-refined organic jojoba oil, and it has a beautiful golden color. If the oil is thin and light in color, you can tell that oil has been refined. This oil is pomegranate oil, and this is also non-refined organic oil. It has a deep golden color. You will need a non-metal spoon, a spatula, and any mixing bowl. Take a spoonful of potato starch. I'm not using the rice powder for this cream because the rice powder is not as soft and fine as the potato powder. Rice powder is good for making facial masks and exfoliators. You can see my recipes with rice powder on my other videos. Both potato and rice powder are great in whitening skin and reducing dark spots and blemishes on the skin. Add a spoonful of aloe vera gel to the powder. Jojoba oil is great for any skin types. For the oily skin, it controls the sebum production, and its anti-inflammatory properties make the troubled skin calm and comfortable. Pomegranate seed oil is used in curing skin cancer. It is excellent in promoting new skin cells and fend off free radicals. It is a truly great oil for anti-aging cream. The viscosity of this oil is very thick, so it makes a great ingredient for facial creams. It needs 6 to 7 drops of lemon essential oil in the mixture. Do not add any more than this amount for the safety of your skin. Lemon essential oil is one of the greatest oil for detoxifying and removing dead skin cells. Its antiseptic properties help in treating and clearing skin. Now, just mix these ingredients together quickly. Keep mixing until you no longer see the oil and it becomes custard-like cream. I added 1 spoon of each ingredient initially, but I will add 1 more spoonful of pomegranate seed oil later. I personally really like the pomegranate seed oil and add this oil in almost most of my products. The vitamin C and polyphenols in pomegranate seed oil helps to even out the skin tone and reverse the damage caused by the sun exposure. The viscosity of pomegranate seed oil is very thick, and it becomes like butter when the temperature goes down. If the oil is thick, it means it has not been refined. Okay, the cream is finished. When you see the word refined on the oil label, this means the oil is chemically processed to filter the odor and the other impurities, as well as much of its nutrients. I can definitely tell my hand is very soft as I apply this cream. I develop skincare products using natural ingredients only. I will upload videos once a week to share my unique recipes that you will not see anywhere else. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you enjoyed this video. It will encourage me even more to share my recipes and skincare know-hows. Thank you very much for watching and see you on my next video. Bye for now.